The cockpit drill. The following checks need to be done at the start of every single journey. Think. Door. How can you ensure that all doors are properly closed? Which road users are particularly vulnerable if you open your door without checking? How can you prevent the wind from catching your door when opening it? Seat. How can you determine if the seat is in the correct position? Steering wheel. Why is it important to make sure that your steering wheel is in the correct position before you begin your journey? Seatbelt. Who is legally accountable for ensuring passengers wear seatbelts? What are the potential risks if a rear passenger does not wear a seatbelt? Who is responsible for ensuring children are using appropriate restraints? Mirrors. Why is it important to adjust your mirrors before starting to drive? What are the potential consequences of adjusting your mirrors while the vehicle is in motion? Remember, door, seat, steering wheel, seatbelt, mirror.